Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can slow down a video in Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys is in order to add the video, go right here to the top and search for file. Once you find the file, go ahead and click on it and then go to import. After that, click on media, or you can also click on Control plus E. So once you click on media, then choose any video that you want from your PC. So for example, I'm gonna add this one. So click on it to select it and then click on open. As you can see guys, now the video is added. Now, in order to add it to the timeline, grab it and then drag the video to the timeline like this. And now it's added. So in order to slow down this video, go to the Fusion section. And right here in this section, you're going to find all of the effects and the tools. So right here in Notes, we're going to need a tool. So in order to add this tool, go ahead and search for time speed. In order to do that, click on Shift plus space on your keyboard, and then you're gonna find this little search bar. So search for time speed. As you can see, guys, we found it. Click on it, and then click on Add, and it's added to the video. Right now, click on it in order to select it, and then go to Inspector. Once you click on Inspector, you're gonna find here the in control speed, delay, interpolation mode, and sample spread. Right here in speed, you're going to find it set on 1.0. That means that it's 100%. So for example, we're going to decrease the speed to 0.5. And then we're going to go back to cut in order to test the video. So we're going to play it. And as you can see, guys, now the video is in slow motion. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.